Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video, and thank you so much to Be Glam for sending me this amazing Polygel kit. The colors were outstanding, they were so fabulous, and here I'm just going to briefly show you everything that this kit includes. And I loved how the instructions manual came in an envelope, very fancy, and here I'm just showing you everything it includes. I love how it included a lamp as well. It is 6 watts, and it included 2 types of dual forms, which is really cool. I had never seen stiletto dual forms before, so that was something new. And I love the detailing on this brush. I thought it was super cute, and just the aesthetic of this Polygel kit is so pretty. I love the matte pink that they were going for. Very beautiful. So here, as I'm showing you everything it includes, and now I'm going to be showing you the colors and what they look like, and they were so beautiful. I had so many ideas when I saw these colors, so I definitely want to be able to create more Polygel nail tutorials in the future with this kit. And by the way guys, I will have a discount code for you all if you're interested in purchasing this kit that you saw in today's tutorial, along with everything being down below in the description box. So these are what the colors look like after being cured under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Absolutely beautiful. I love these colors. So first I'm going to start off with their 100/180 grit file, and I'm just going to lightly remove the shine off my nail beds, and then I'm going to get into applying the base coat. But if you'd like your nails to last after you're done removing the shine, always remember to dehydrate the nails, or you can place half of 100% acetone and half alcohol and create that into a solution. It is equivalent to a dehydrator, and then you would apply your primer. And remember, with primers it is trial and error. Next, I'm just going to be removing the dust, and after I'm going to be applying the base coat and then curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to start off by using You're the Queen. It's a very beautiful color, and I will be using base coat as my slip solution along with full coverage nails, and I will be using these paper butterflies that I did purchase through Shein. So here I'm just applying the Polygel onto the nail, and the Lazy Girl method pretty much just works that you apply the product inside of the nail and then you place it on and cure it under the UV lamp. It's very simple, very achievable, and very easy to do in the sense that it's not time consuming. This is why I absolutely love this method. It's just so easy and very fast to do at home. It's not like you're going to be taking hours doing your nails. It's very simple, and with practice you get even faster, and it's just really achievable. And I always try to keep my channel very achievable when it comes to nail looks. I really like when people are able to recreate the nails, or they found it very simple and easy. Like, that is my goal, to always make it very achievable. So after I am done placing the nail on, I just went ahead and cured it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of the nails. And for 2 of the nails, I did decide to add the butterflies along with some glitter that you guys will be seeing very soon. And the way that I apply those things for it stays in place is that I apply some base coat onto the nail first, then I apply everything that I'm going to place, and after I just cure it under the UV lamp, and then I go ahead and apply the Polygel over top of that. So here I'm just using Just in Pink, and then before I apply that color though, here I'm showing you how I'm applying the base coat on the nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my butterflies and glitters. And this is from Sets Nail Co. in the name Rainbowfish. I will have a coupon code for them linked down below along as on the screen. I absolutely love their glitters. I really recommend you guys check them out. I don't get any commission off of this or anything whatsoever, but I just genuinely really love them, and I really recommend them because their glitters are beautiful and they're very affordable. And I love how shipping is like $3, so that is definitely a plus. So here I'm just placing everything on to my liking. Then I'll go ahead and cure it for a couple seconds, and I'll go in and apply the Polygel. So overall, I really liked the Polygel. It's easy to work with. It is more on the stiffer side, but it's not like you can't work with it. Kind of reminds me of like the Manicure consistency. It's really good. It's very easy to work with, as you guys can see here. It just glides on the nail. So I really liked it. I had no complaints about it. The tubes are each 15 grams. You get a total of 6 polygels, and the colors are just so beautiful and versatile. You really can use them all year round. So I really liked that as well. I just overall really loved the kit. I loved the aesthetic of it. I liked how it brought a lamp along with everything you needed except a slip solution. But like I said, you could always use base coat, and I love using base coat as a slip solution. It's really easy and it works for every polygel as well. So next I'm moving on to this polygel, and this is the clear. I really appreciated how the clear was actually clear. It was really clear. I really liked the way that it was looking. So obviously, since I wanted to leave this nail clear, I didn't just want to not apply polygel. So to thicken the nail and to see the clarity of this polygel, I did place it underneath as well. And then I did decide last minute though to create this nail matte. I just thought it looked really pretty that way. So here I'm just applying the nail, and I'm just going to go ahead and cure it once again. But as you guys can see, it's pretty clear, so that's a plus. And then lastly, I'm just working on the pinky nail, and then we're going to move on to the following steps. So next, I'm just grabbing a lint-free wipe along with some acetone and removing the tacky layer from the nails. And next, we're going to move on to shaping and filing and just buffing a bit. And after, we're going to move on to applying our top coats, because I did use a matte and glossy, and I am using their 100-180 grit file for this. I'm just lightly, shaping the nail, and then I'm going to go in and buff them out to remove the shine, since I will be placing my own top coats on the nails. Let me know down below what you guys thought about this nail look. I thought it was really cute, so don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you guys liked this nail look, or what was your favorite part about the nail tutorial or the polygel kit. Next, I'm using some top coat to add some rhinestones. I decided to add some rhinestones to the pinky, so I'm just using the top coat as an adhesive for the rhinestones. So now I'm just going ahead and applying the top coat to the nails, and then we're gonna go and apply some cuticle oil, and that will be all for today's nail tutorial. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. Thank you guys so much. Till next time.